Snagging a property in an area with a booming population, great job market, and a hot housing scene is step one to real estate investing. However, to truly cash in on rental income and long-term gains, you've got to optimize its value. I'm going to share 8 practical tips that will help you to attract top tenants, slash vacancies, and command premium rents. Tip number 1, nail the curb appeal for a great first impression. Your property's exterior says welcome home or run away. So keep the lawn mowed, add colorful low maintenance plants, and put on a fresh coat of paint for the front door, and upgrade your porch lights. Also, you'll want to fix your fences and any damaged railings too. These lead to better showings and better tenants. Tip number 2, focus on the interior updates with high impact, especially kitchens and baths. Renters will pay more for clean, functional spaces. Upgrade the laminate for quartz countertops. Refresh cabinets with new hardware and swap in energy efficient appliances. In bathrooms, update vanities, regrout tiles, and add storage. These tweaks are a great minimal investment, but skyrocket perceived value and your gross rental income. Tip 3, go green with energy efficiency. Tenants love lower bills, and it sets your properties apart. Install smart thermostats, beef up insulation, seal any drafty windows, and switch to Energy Star appliances and LED lights. Cutting operating costs will boost the appeal. Tip 4, load up on must-have amenities to attract quality renters. Think dedicated parking, pet-friendly fenced yards, high-speed internet, or smart locks. Consider adding extra storage for all that outdoor gear. Amenities attract longer leases, which result in less turnover and typically higher rents. Tip 5, refresh the flooring and paint to make it feel brand new. Outdated stuff drags down your property's value. Swap carpets for durable vinyl plank or laminate that's pet-proof and easy to clean. Paint light neutral colors with a stain resistant for a broad tenant appeal. Doing so helps your property outshine the comps. Tip 6, level up with smart home tech. Install keyless smart locks for easy access, thermostats that learn habits, and leak sensors to dodge disasters. Modern gadgets keep renters happy. Tip 7, maximize every square foot without major renovations. Turn dead space into a work from home nook, add closet organizers for gear storage, or install built-ins. If you can upgrade outdoor spots like patios, it makes your place feel bigger and more livable. Tip 8, stay on top of maintenance like a pro. Preventative care saves cash and wows tenants. Schedule HVAC tune-ups, inspect plumbing and roofs quarterly, replace bad appliances early, and keep gutters clean. Respond fast to requests. Happy tenants renew, vacancies drop, and your net income increases. There you have it, 8 game-changing tips to improve your rental's value. If you want help, at NV Property Management, we handle evaluations, tenant placement, maintenance, and more to maximize your income. Hit us up today at nvpm.com or give us a call at 801-337-4337. Thanks for watching.